Welcome to our YouTube video.
All right, what's your name?
Penelope.
Penelope. This is Penelope, and I'm
Taylor.
Taylor. I'm Mommy.
You're Mommy.
I'm Mommy. Okay, so today we are gonna do. What are we gonna do?
Our makeup.
We're gonna do our makeup. So let's get started. So wait. That's not eye stuff. This is eyes. All right. Well, how about let me do mine. So I'm gonna wipe my face down.
Can I wipe my face down?
Sure. Hold on, let me get one. Okay. So the MAC Demi wipes. Those are the best.
I got them.
So you did it? Okay. All right. I'm gonna do mine. Wipe our face. Get fresh face before we put our makeup on.
Because we got dirty stuff on our face. Dirty lips. See, look my dirty lips.
But they're clean now, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna put on primer.
I'm gonna put on primer too.
I'm gonna put on primer too.
Sorry.
All right, this one is Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, SPF 40. Y'all know I'm crazy about some SPF, so this is a must. All right, so you rub it between your fingers and put it on your face.
Ow, it's burning my eyes.
Don't put it in your eyes.
I'm closing them.
Okay,
see
good.
my eyes.
Let's go ahead and put on some foundation. All right, are you gonna do a little bit?
Yes.
You are? How about, okay, you do your fingers and you rub it around your face.
Okay.
Give you a little bit, hold on.
Rub it around your fingers and put it on my face.
I need to get mine. Okay. All right, so now that we've done that,
Hey,
now I'm gonna put this, what?
Let me wet.
Oh, sorry. And then I think I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this on my face. And what I'm using now is the Sephora Bright Future. It's a tinted moisturizer that is amazing. Okay, so this one is the Sephora Bright Future. And I'm gonna tag everything below, but this one's really great. So Supergoop primer, Bright Future foundation, or tinted moisturizer pretty much. And I normally every day use the Josie Maran daily moisturizer, and it's
glass.
SPF, it is glass. We're gonna be careful with it. So it's SPF 47, so.
Don't drop that.
Okay, be very careful. Let's put that right there.
Don't drop it.
Okay.
Put it next to me.
Okay.
So it doesn't drop.
Where it's safe. This is also another favorite of mine. It's the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. So good. This one's really good. I love this one too.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Ugh.
Okay.
Don't eat that.
I do.
Lipstick.
No. This is concealer. You put this underneath your eyes to get rid of dark circles. So.
Can I do mine?
Vanilla, but it's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I know. I just wanted to look at it really fast. Yeah, now I gotta. Beautiful.
Why did you close your eyes?
Because you don't want to put it in your eyes, so make sure that you close your eyes too, okay? And you do this. Put that on. Yeah, you look. Oh yeah, all right, let me help you.
Hey.
Look at me. Beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and set our under eye with Laura Mercier translucent powder. I still use this every day, pretty much. Actually, okay. All right, hold on. That has eyeshadow on it, so I don't know if that's gonna work out so well.
Are you gonna put it on?
But go ahead and give it a try.
See, I'm gonna put it right there. Want to see?
Ooh, okay. So you're getting. Hold on. I'll help you. Hold on.
This brush now.
Ooh. All right, go ahead. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's do eyeshadow. All right. Oh, do y'all? Oh no! Love this thing. I was just about to talk about it and it broke on me. Let me do it here.
I can do it all by myself.
Now we're gonna do eyeshadow, right?
Yes.
So I'll let you go ahead and use this one, and then I'm gonna use this one. And favorite palettes is the Lorac Pro, and I think this one is the eyeshadow palette 3. There you go.
Put it on. Okay, I can do it.
Yeah.
See, look at my eyes. Can I do it too?
Yeah.
Are you using a lot of pink? See, look, I'm gonna put this on.
I use this one.
It's beeping.
Your Tamagotchi. We'll go take care of him in a second, okay? Oh. Do you like that?
Yes.
You do? Okay, that's nice.
I'm gonna put some on your cheek.
Okay, yeah. Jimmy, let me see. All right, hold on. Hold it. Yeah, there you go. No, this way. Just like that, right there. Okay, let me do this real quick. All right, go ahead.
I'm gonna do
maybe not right on the eye. Maybe like on the cheek right here.
Right
that might be good. You did a great job. We're gonna do our bronzer. And my favorite right now, where is it? What did I do with it? Oh, is the Laura Mercier in number 4. So we're just gonna a little bit on the brush. Number 4 works really well in the summer. Oh, okay, use them. And then all on my forehead.
Put it all on my forehead too. Maybe use some more. Ah, we hate each other.
Whoops.
I'm gonna put it like this.
Okay. Then we'll get to see the finished product. All right, so we're done with that. And now, because I'm doing it in the living room, I totally forgot the brushes. So I don't have my actual brush that I use, but this video is just for fun. So we're just gonna go ahead and use the same bronzer. Yeah, for
what else?
The blush. And this is the Tarte in Party, right?
He's coming in.
Dad's coming in there. Okay. Eyebrows and then mascara. And I think that's it. That'll be it for our makeup. So we could let's do our eyebrows. You wanna do your eyebrows? Okay.
I'm gonna put some.
So I always use the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set. And you know what, first, I usually do that at the end. I don't know what I'm doing. Because first I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in color medium brown. And I'm just gonna pretty much, yeah, 1 second.
Can I do it all by myself?
Sure.
Okay.
And I'm just pretty much going to
your eyes are
fill.
I wash them soon.
That's the color of your eyes? Okay.
I'm singing. I'm ready.
So here's your turn. Use this little guy. Thank you.
What is this?
Brow set. So you just gotta put it on your eyebrows. Oh. That looks good.
Oh,
You don't like that? Okay, well it's alright. We'll
Can you help me?
Sure. Right here. There you go. Hold on. Don't move. Look at me. Look at me. There you go. Is that right?
Uh-huh.
You look cute. Okay, so let's put on our mascara.
What is that?
And then we'll do lips, and then we'll be done. So what color do you think you're gonna do for your lips?
I'm gonna do red.
You're gonna do red?
Yes.
Just to the top?
I missed some a little bit.
Just to kind of...
I'm gonna show at the mirror.
I love you. All right, so what do we say now? All right, we'll tell everybody bye. Bye, and thank you for watching.
We're gonna do our face painting rainbow dash.
We can do that next. We'll do that next. Okay.
Turn on! What's turning on? Is it on? Yes. I see it on. But it's off.